just in the grass. There's no mound there. See him?
Oh, okay. Oh, jeez.
Where's that hitting? For the love of God.
You'd think we'd be able to get one with a ricochet.
I can't. I try. I put one place.
Ding! Hang on a minute. I gotta zoom in on this guy.
Ready?
Yep.
No.
I knew that was coming.
I did too.